Hello, hello, welcome, welcome to Amnesia Follia CH03 demo madness created by CC. Baby, I should stop doing those stupid rhymes as I did in the first episode. Alright, let's do this. The monsters hate you. Oh wait, the title is Escape? The monsters hate you. That ain't gonna change one bit. I will leave you with two choices. Either conquer the monster and receive a special bonus award, or search for the key and escape from the monster. Well. I can hear a swearing guy. So let's. Oh, he has not seen me. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Lord help, hiding behind this thing here. I don't know. Oh my god, it does not work at all. Nope. Ooh. Ah, come on.
Don't fucking go in my closet! You fucking bitch!
I'm an asshole. He doesn't even know what the hell is going on. Hey, bro! Hey, what the hell? I don't know what to do. Okay, let's search through this house. Oh. Here, I got a plate for you. Oh. That's good. If he's not going to hit the door, well then I'm not gonna be in any trouble. Whoa! Never mind. Whoa! Whoa! Holy shit! Whoa! Oh! Oh my god! No, asshole! Ah! Woo! Oh no! Woo! Jesus Christ! Ah! He's so fucking scary! Why are you not letting me do this? What the heck is going on? Oh! Oh, there we go. Where was I? Oh. Oh god. I am just a painting. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Oh. Oh well, he heard that. Oh, this little chair maybe. Yes. Oh, hi there, little pigeon. Pigeon. You look very nice. Come on, take it. Woo! Lel, what a noob. Ah! Ow! Ow, fuck. Bye, bitch. Oh. Oh, he's not amused. What am I? What am I, little bitch? Huh? You little piece of caca?
What the fuck are you looking at?
Little piece of noob?
You are
Little noob?
a piece of shit.
Little noob? He is such a stupid booted. Oh! What a noob. What a frickin' noob. Oh, never mind. Is this? Yes. Oh, hi. Ow. Oh, shit. Ah! Alright. Already. Oh. You kept telling yourself you were fed up by fleeing, or was it just a dream? Speed. Chair. Oh, this is going. This is gonna be a long road. Am I walking faster or something? Wait, what? That's cool. Oh! Whoa! Ah! Whoa, little titty boy. Bye, guy. Hey, that's a little wiener. Oh, I cannot jump over him. Well, too bad. Goodbye, man. It was a nice time talking to you. Jesus Christ! Oh! Oh! Woo! Leap of faith, mamma mia! Ah! Woo!
How could this happen?